Hey guys, it's Fix-It Freddy back with another plumbing puzzle. Today, we're tackling that crusty, sticky mess the culprit lurks in your faucet tip, hanging kitchen faucet head. Don't let the fancy name fool you, this little gizmo. Cleaning and cleanliness of your kitchen faucet plays a big role, but when it's off, things can get, well, messy. Don't worry though, because in this video, we break down everything you need to know removing and refreshing your hanging kitchen faucet head, no matter the brand or grime. One common solution to the problem of a hanging kitchen faucet head is to tighten the screw or nut that holds it in place. Over time, this attachment can become loose due to repeated use or vibration, causing the faucet head to hang down when not in use. Having a kitchen faucet head that won't stay up can be frustrating and inconvenient. If you're dealing with this issue, here are some steps you can take to address the problem. Potential solutions. Tighten the faucet head. Sometimes the faucet head becomes loose over time, causing it to droop or hang. Try tightening the faucet head using a wrench or pliers to see if that resolves the issue. Check the faucet spout. Inspect the faucet spout to ensure that it is properly aligned and not causing the faucet head to hang. Adjust the spout if necessary to provide better support for the head. Replace the faucet head. If tightening the faucet head doesn't work, consider replacing it with a new one. This can be an effective solution if the old faucet head is damaged or worn out. Utilize support brackets. Installing support brackets underneath the faucet can help keep the head in place. These brackets can provide additional stability and prevent the head from hanging. Adjust the faucet arm. If the faucet arm is too loose, it may not be able to support the weight of the head. Try adjusting the arm to a tighter position to see if that helps keep the head in place. Clean the faucet components. Over time, debris and mineral buildup can accumulate in the faucet, affecting its performance. Cleaning the faucet components thoroughly may help resolve the issue of a hanging head. If tightening the screw or nut does not resolve the issue, there may be a problem with the faucet head itself or with the hose connecting it to the plumbing. In such cases, it may be necessary to replace the faucet head or repair the hose. By following these steps, you should be able to address the problem of a hanging kitchen faucet head effectively. Remember that regular maintenance and care can also help prevent such issues from occurring in the future. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on hanging kitchen faucet head. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.